Hi, my name is Ollie Old. I'm the head groundsman at the Royal Cornwall Showground. My daily task is mainly grass management. We've got 88 acres here on the showground that we cut once or twice a week. When I first started 12 months ago, all the grass was cut, collected and put into a grass pit, and it took 2 men 4 days to cut the whole site. I came on the scene and I thought I'd change the grass cutting to a mulching system, so we managed to get funding for a 3890 Kubota with a Trimax flail deck 185, so we don't actually pick up any grass now. It's all mulched down during the year and it's made the job at least twice quicker. 2 days now to cut the whole site with 2 men. I've always used Vincent tractors in my previous jobs. I knew they were a good company and they were a big part of the show as well. They come down and have a big stand here. And they were very helpful for us with the demoing of the kit. They brought out what we wanted to look at. The kit we did get was a great bit of kit and the service was great. So in the future, when we're looking to change the other tractor we have for grass cutting, we are certainly going to go down to Vincent's.